They look powerful. They promise prestige. They symbolize success. But in the evolving world of 2025 and beyond, not every luxury SUV deserves your money. Some of them hide reliability issues, complex electronics, and repair costs that can make even the wealthiest owners second-guess their purchase. Today, we're breaking down the 3 luxury SUVs you should probably avoid in 2025 and 2026, and the 4 that deliver real value, performance, and reliability. If you love cars that make sense as much as they make statements, hit subscribe, tap like, and share this video with anyone planning their next luxury ride. All right, let's begin. First up, the 2025 Maserati Levante. There's no denying it, this SUV turns heads. Its exhaust note is pure Italian symphony. It's an emotional experience, not just transportation. But passion alone doesn't pay repair bills. In recent ownership studies, the Levante ranks below average for dependability. Maintenance costs are among the highest in its class, and spare parts take longer to arrive than most European rivals. Yes, it's fast, yes, it's beautiful, but it's also the kind of luxury that can quietly drain your wallet over time. If you're leasing for 2 years, fine, but if you're planning to own it long-term, the Levante is more heart than head. Next on our caution list, the iconic Land Rover Range Rover. Few vehicles carry such road presence. It's a statement piece, elegant, commanding, and unmatched in luxury feel. But even legends have flaws. The new generation Range Rover improves in refinement and design, but still struggles with reliability and ownership costs. Industry data shows a 5-year ownership cost approaching $225,000, thanks to expensive parts, specialized service, and heavy depreciation. Owners love the comfort and off-road prowess, but air suspension, electronics, and drivetrain issues remain pain points. Unless you're ready for the unpredictable, it's best admired from a distance or leased under warranty protection. Third, the Mercedes-Benz GLE. The 2026 facelift looks futuristic, and the interior feels like a digital lounge on wheels. But here's the issue. More tech often means more trouble. The GLE's complex MUX infotainment, advanced air suspension, and driver assist systems require frequent updates and costly calibration. Owner reports highlight issues with sensors, display modules, and hybrid system components. For a short-term lease, it's an incredible experience. But for a long-term owner, those maintenance bills can easily outpace expectations. So those are the 3 to approach carefully. Now let's talk about the luxury SUVs that actually deliver what they promise: beauty, brains, and long-term reliability. Number 1 on the buy list, the Porsche Macan. It's the sportiest SUV in its class, and somehow one of the most dependable too. The 2025 Macan has received an electric version, the Macan EV, alongside the gas-powered GTS and S trims, and both sides of the lineup perform beautifully. Sharp handling, precise steering, bulletproof build quality. This is a driver's SUV that still makes sense for everyday life. Its 5-year resale values remain among the strongest in the segment, and reliability ratings from owners continue to improve year after year. Next, the Lexus RX. Think of it as the calm, confident alternative to the chaos of European luxury. The RX isn't about adrenaline. It's about assurance. The hybrid powertrains are smooth, the interiors are whisper quiet, and Lexus reliability continues to lead the industry. Long-term owners praise its low repair costs and consistent resale value. It may not excite you on a mountain road, but it will never leave you stranded on one. Now let's talk performance and practicality, the BMW X5. The 2025 X5 xDrive 40 hits a sweet spot, not too flashy, not too fragile, and built with German precision that actually holds up over time. The inline-6 engine remains one of BMW's most reliable power plants, delivering smooth acceleration and great fuel efficiency for its size. Maintenance costs are reasonable compared to rivals, and the driving feel, it's everything you'd expect from BMW. Athletic, refined, and engaging. Simply put, it's one of the most balanced luxury SUVs you can buy in 2025. Finally, a rising star, the Genesis GV80. This one is shaking up the luxury game by offering premium design, strong performance, and unmatched value. The GV80's craftsmanship rivals German rivals twice its price. The cabin is serene, the materials are top-notch, and the driving experience is impressively refined. But where Genesis truly shines is ownership confidence, one of the best warranty programs in the industry, covering up to 10 years of powertrain protection. It's the smart buyer's luxury SUV, proof that new names can compete with old legends. So here's the final word. Luxury doesn't always mean reliability. A famous badge might impress your neighbors, but it won't comfort you when you're staring at a 5-figure repair quote. If you value long-term ownership, the Porsche Macan, Lexus RX, BMW X5, and Genesis GV80 deliver what luxury should mean: comfort, confidence, and consistency. Meanwhile, the Maserati Levante, Range Rover, and Mercedes GLE are still desirable, but only if you know what you're signing up for. Which one would you buy? And which one would you avoid? Tell us in the comments below. And if this deep dive helped you make a smarter choice, hit like, tap subscribe, and share this video with someone looking for their next luxury SUV. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe, drive smart, and stay curious. Drop your verdict in the comments and subscribe to US Auto Pulse for more EV showdowns. Hit the bell. Next, Rivian R2 versus Tesla Model Y.